हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आई क्वांटस क्लासरूम। और आज हम करने वाले हैं एन वर्ड्स और गुड लॉन्ग वे एंड एन वर्ड्स के लिए अपन बहुत सही सही वर्ड्स करने वाले हैं जो कि बहुत बार आरसीज में, बहुत ही बार आरसी के क्वेश्चंस में देखे गए हैं, राइट। सो चलो एन वर्ड्स भी पढ़ लेते हैं आज। एम वर्ड्स तक आप मास्टरी कर चुके हो, आपको बहुत वर्ड्स आते हैं। there's a pimple, no, whatever. Okay, so let's start with the N words, and the first word here is nebulous. Just 1 second, let me select the pen. So nebulous is vague, unclear or cloudy. Basically something that's not clear or something that's not exact without any definite definite edges, right? Something that's lacking definite form or lacking definite content or definite limits, right? Something that doesn't have any definite limits, right? Basically, for example, like a nebula is a cloud of gas, right? So it has no limit, no content, nothing, right? So vague है, unclear है, cloudy है ना? So जैसे कि a nebulous plan is a plan which is unclear, right? Other forms can be nebulosity, nebulously. Sentence: his plans for the future are still nebulous. Synonyms: vague, indistinct, hazy. Antonyms: clear, definite and precise, right? So obviously if nebulous, so ये word IP मैट में I guess 2024 या फिर 2023 की एक आरसी में एक क्वेश्चन में यूज़ किया गया है। सो ऐसे बहुत से वर्ड्स हैं जो आपको मिलेंगे आगे। तो yes, we are actually preparing ourselves for the exams. Then there's nascent. Nascent is beginning to exist, something that's not yet completely developed, right? Something that's just emerging, है ना? Something that is recently formed, right? And it is on an early development phase, right? For example, when a when a baby is born, so that baby is like, in its initial stages of development. When the baby is inside the womb, that's a nascent phase, right? So nascence can be the other form, which is a noun. The startup is still in its nascent stage. That means it is still, developing. Emerging, budding, developing are the synonyms. Mature and developed are the antonyms. Nefarious, very nice word. So basically nefarious में NE, the root word is basically not, and FAS, nefarious, और FAR जो है ये रूट वर्ड, इसका मतलब बेसिकली होता है लॉ और राइट, ठीक है? सो बेसिकली how do I say, so basically somebody who's inquisitive or somebody who's villainish, so, right? So villainous is not villainish, but it's like villain-ish, somebody who's villain-ish, and that's not a word, but villainous is a word, right? Somebody who's evil, who's criminal, right? Wicked है, बहुत ही चंट है कोई, right? That's when you use nefarious for somebody, because obviously it's an adjective. OUS आ गया तो एक adjective है, right? Then there can be nefarious से related तो नहीं मुझे कोई याद आता, खैर, क्योंकि criminal है तो आप criminal से मुझे एक word याद आता है, negligible, राइट? क्योंकि क्रिमिनल से इसलिए याद आता है बिकॉज क्रिमिनल इज रिलेटेड टू, और क्राइम इज रिलेटेड टू लॉ. सो नेग्लिजिबल इज सिमिलरली रिलेटेड इन लॉ लैंग्वेज ओनली. जैसे कि नेग्लिजिबल ऑफेंस, इसका मतलब एन ऑफेंस दैट इज सो स्मॉल that it is actually unimportant, right? It's trivial, unimportant or minor, right? So negligible is basically unimportant, right? So small, something that's so small कि वो unimportant हो जाता है. अब वो negligible offense भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? Nefariously, nefariousness are the nouns, like the other forms. The villain carried out his nefarious plan. Criminal plan, right? Evil plan. Wicked, villainous, अच्छा लिखा ही है. Sinful are the synonyms. Noble, righteous and virtuous are the antonyms. Then there's noxious. So noxious, N-O-X, basically is harm, right? Or injury. ठीक है? So noxious can be it can be physically harmful, like noxious fume or noxious smell. It can be morally harmful. It can be basically corrupting, है ना? Morally, ethically harmful हो सकता है if something is noxious. So let's say noxious influence, या फिर let's say plan, noxious plan, मतलब किसी का इरादा ही noxious हो, ठीक है? Then there can be noxiously and noxiousness as other forms. Sentence: the factory emitted noxious fumes. Okay, noxious, that means harmful fumes, right? बहुत ही जहरीला sort of, ठीक है? तो जैसे कि environment भी noxious हो सकता है. Harmful, poisonous, toxic, harmless and beneficial are the antonyms. Then there is nihilism. So nihilism is basically believing in nothing, rejecting of all values or institutions. Basically nihilism is a philosophy which is characterized by rejecting rejection or rejecting meanings, purpose, values, right? And objective also. तो आप maybe an objective truth of life also you want to reject. Maybe you are here leading to to a belief in the inherent meaninglessness of existence. That's nihilism. So basically एक philosophy है ये, जहाँ you just believe in nothing, right? Rejecting all values or institutions. That मतलब कुछ भी कुछ नहीं है. That's because nihil is nothing, and ISM is basically used for, it's a suffix used for doctrine or ideology or negations, ठीक है? ism, ISM. Nihilist जैसे Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, like that. Nihilistic एक adjective है. The rebel embraced nihilism and rejected authority. Skepticism मतलब आप किस हर चीज़ पे you are skeptical about everything, you are in doubt for everything, so that's skepticism. Cynicism, pessimism is positiveness. Belief, faith and optimism are the antonyms. So let's see. Nadir is a noun, the lowest point, a point of great adversity or despair. Basically nihilism is the worst moment of a particular situation. एकदम नीचे, because opposite, एकदम अच्छे का opposite आप मान लो, because nazir is equals to opposite, right? Latin में. So it's like that. Basically the point on the celestial sphere directly below an observer, right? एकदम ही उल्टा, right? So the lowest point, a point of great adversity or despair, is nadir. Losing his job was the nadir of his career. There's no other form. Lowest point, bottom, rock bottom. एकदम it actually refers to the lowest or most adverse point of anything, right? चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, चाहे anything, right? Maybe earth का भी कोई nadir होगा, right? एक ऐसा lowest point होगा earth में कहीं, right? So lowest point, bottom, rock bottom, zenith, peak, summit and pinnacle are the antonyms of it. Pinnacle, nice word. Then there's neophyte. Neophyte is basically a person who is new to a subject or activity, skill or belief, right? Kuch bhi. So a beginner, someone new to a subject, skill or belief. The neophyte teacher was nervous on her first day. Yes, that actually happened with me in my very second class, not the first class, because first class actually went like this ki I didn't know that this is going to be my class. I just took it, right? So I was not in that teacher wala mood, but I was like in that kind of a mood ki these are my juniors and I just have to teach them today. It was like that in college when I was doing my MBA, and I taught my juniors, the graduate students. So it wasn't actually like a teacher, but after that, once that class happened and it was good, then officially when my second class happened, I was too nervous, too nervous. I can't tell you how much, because at that time I knew that I am going there as a teacher, so there was a lot of pressure, right? So yeah, novice, beginner and rookie are the synonyms for it. Antonyms can be expert, veteran and master. Basically, neo is new plus fetus, which is basically how do I say, something planted. Fetus का मतलब ही planted होता है. So something that's newly planted, that's neophyte, right? Okay. Nomadic is moving from place to place rather than living in one spot permanently, because nomis का मतलब ही roaming होता है. और क्या होता है? Roaming and wandering. So yeah, living a wandering life with no fixed settlement. Nomad, nomadism are the nouns. The nomadic tribe moved with the seasons. Wandering, roving, itinerant are the synonyms. Settled, stationary and rooted are the antonyms. Nonplussed. Okay, let's see this word as well. Nonplussed, no surprised or confused. So surprised, no surprised. So surprised or confused that one is unsure how to react. So nonplussed is basically confused, not able to understand something. And back in 1580s, it was a state where nothing more can be done, right? एक ऐसी स्टेट आती है ना सबके लाइफ में कि जहाँ पे इस पॉइंट के बाद अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते, right? Then in next state it actually transitioned to a verb that meant to perplex, right? To perplex का मतलब होता है confused होना. But now currently it is basically a state of bafflement or perplexity, right? तो वही हो गया. Again it has become a state. पहले वो verb बन गया था, but हाँ verb में ही state आते हैं. So yes, ठीक है. तो but पहले क्या था? It was a state where nothing more can be done. अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता types, but now it has changed. She was nonplussed by the unexpected questions, right? She was perplexed, baffled. Bewildered, perplexed, confounded are the synonyms. Composed, unfazed, clear-headed are the antonyms. Nullify. I really like this word because I learnt it back in, I don't know, I was too young, and I really like this word. I don't know why, because it has double L in it. I have no idea. So nullify, it actually feels good while you pronounce it. I don't know why, but yeah. So it's basically to make something null, especially to make something legally null or void, void, right? So basically to cancel, invalidate or make legally null. इसका एक मतलब ये हो सकता है, दूसरा मतलब हो सकता है to make of of no value or consequence, right? एक तो आपने generally जनरली नहीं, स्पेशली स्पेसिफिकली आपने लीगल चीज़ को यू जस्ट लीगली वॉइडेड समथिंग, आपने लीगली नल किया है किसी चीज़ को, इनवैलिडेट किया है. बट सेकेंड मीनिंग कैन बी कि यू मेक समथिंग ऑफ नो वैल्यू और नो कॉन्सिक्वेंस. ठीक है. सो यप. Nullification, nullified are the nouns and adjectives. The contract was nullified due to fraud. So basically it was made of no value. Cancel, annul, void and invalidate are the synonyms. Validate, confirm, ratify are the antonyms. Niggardly, ungenerous, stingy, miserly. So basically ungenerous with money, with time, right? That's niggardly. It's an adjective basically. You basically you basically nigger in manner. You are lacking in generosity, spirit or abundance, right? कुछ भी हो सकता है. Niggardliness is the noun. He left a niggardly tip despite excellent service. Niggardly like एकदम छुटकू, एकदम ungenerous amount of money. इतना कि it was actually lacking generosity. मतलब इतनी अच्छी सर्विस थी, आपको अच्छा अमाउंट देना चाहिए था, but what you did, you paid a niggardly tip. Miserable, stingy, right? Miserly, stingy, tight-fisted is other synonyms. Generous, liberal and bountiful are the antonyms. तो अगर अपन को इसको opposite में लिखना हो तो he left a bountiful tip because the service was excellent. ठीक है. Okay, so nocturnal basically use किया जाता है for animals or birds that sleep during the night and they are like wide awake during the daytime, right? They are awake and active at the midnight और दिन में they are asleep, right? दूसरा मतलब हो सकता है, एक तो एनिमल्स के लिए यूज हो सकता है, दूसरा हो सकता है समथिंग दैट्स हैपनिंग एट नाइट, राइट? बेसिकली जैसे कि नॉक्टर्नल एडवेंचर, दैट मीन्स दिस एडवेंचर इज गोइंग टू हैपन एट द नाइट, राइट? और बीइंग नॉक्टर्नल और any creature who's being nocturnal, maybe a plant phenomena, maybe an animal like that. So अपन nocturnal यूज करेंगे, जैसे कि owls के लिए अपन यूज करते हैं active और occurring at night. Owls are nocturnal creatures. Nighttime, nightly are the synonyms. Diurnal and daytime are the antonyms. अब nocturnal तो है NO से. Non-challenged भी एक वर्ड है. Non-challenged is basically relaxed, calm, unconcerned about something who's not feeling or showing interest or excitement about something, right? That's non-challenged. I guess ये word होगा नहीं होगा, I'm not sure, but anyway लिख लो, है ना? Then there's nomenclature. Nomenclature is one word that I like. Basically nomen is name and clare is basically to call, right? Basically a system of naming things, especially in science, right? Basically it's a system of rule for giving, standardized names, set of names or to things or names within a specific field, right? जैसे कि साइंस में अपन चीज़ों को नाम देते हैं, जैसे कि हम मेडिसिन में चीज़ों को नाम देते हैं, केमिस्ट्री में मे बी, राइट? मे बी इन जनरल ऑल्सो. जैसे कि आपने सुना होगा मैंगो का ये अजीब सा नाम विच इज़ मैग्नीफेरा इंडिका समथिंग, राइट? जैसे ह्यूमंस के लिए होमोसेपियन इज़ अ साइंटिफिक नेम. सो ये नॉमेनक्लेचर्स हो गए, right? So a person who assigns or announces names. या वो noun के form में हुआ, but nomenclatural is an adjective. In ancient Rome, a nomenclator reminded politicians of voters' names. Okay, synonyms can be namer, identifier और classifier. So basically mango है, mango का nomenclature क्या हुआ? Magnifera, indica, blah blah whatsoever, है ना? Like that. Nonentity, not non-entity, non-entity. An unimportant or insignificant person. Basically non का मतलब है not और ENS entity ENS जिसमें ENT यहाँ पे EN यूज किया गया है, उसका मतलब है being. Basically a person without any significant quality or character or any without any significance, right? मतलब someone who has not achieved anything, anything important. That's non-entity. That's when we use it. He was treated as a non-entity in the corporate world. Nobody, mediocrity, nullity are the synonyms. Celebrity, VIP, luminaire or luminary are the antonyms. Then there's novice. Novice is a person without experience, skills, somebody who's without any experience to a job, to a situation, or maybe somebody who is who lacks skill. That's novice, right? A person who is new to an activity or field, beginner. Novitiate. What is happening today? Anyway, novitiate is a noun for novice, right? As a novice in chess, she struggled against experienced players, obviously because she lacks the skill. Beginner, apprentice, rookie, apprentice या intern, right? ये सब novice के synonyms हो सकते हैं. Expert, veteran and master are the antonyms. अब novice भी सुना होगा और you might think कि मैम ये तो knave जैसा भी लग रहा है, right? So basically novice is a new person to a skill, right? And this person lacks what? They lack the practical knowledge. Lack practical knowledge. Knave is basically someone who lacks worldly knowledge in general, and maybe this person can be credulous or maybe can be easily tricked also. That's knave. And they lack what? Sorry, they lack practical wisdom. They lack practical wisdom or awareness of the real world, right? तो यहाँ पे they are new to the skill and these people lack worldly knowledge. Then there's nugatory. Nugatory is of no real value, futile or worthless, insignificant, basically useless, futile, vain of something of little or no consequence, right? Vain ऐसा हो सकता है. Ineffective, that's nugatory. Nugatorily is an adverb. Nugatoriness is the noun. The court dismissed the claim as nugatory and without merit. Worthless, trivial, insignificant, futile are the synonyms. Significant, valuable and meaningful are the antonyms. Simple to understand. Noxiousness is basically the quality of being physically poisonous or harmful, or basically harmful to the mind, to the morals, basically corrupting, right? So harmful or poisonous quality of something that is damaging and unpleasant, such as poisonous क्या अपन ने एग्जाम्पल लिया था पहले, fumes, जैसे कि टॉक्सिक स्मेल अगेन, जैसे कि करप्टिंग इन्फ्लुएंस, सो ये भी वैसा ही हुआ. नॉक्शियस, नॉक्शियसली आर द अदर वर्ड्स. अपन ने ये वर्ड कर लिया क्या पहले? The noxiousness of the chemical was evident from the warning labels. No, I think not. Toxicity, harmless, danger are the synonyms. Safety, harmlessness and healthiness are the antonyms. So, yes, obnoxious से related एक word हो सकता है obnoxious. Obnoxious is basically a boastful behavior, and it is so boastful that it actually chokes you, right? It becomes suffocating and unpleasant, right? So basically this is an unpleasant boastful behavior of somebody. ठीक है, चलो. Alright, we're done with today's words, but I still remember a few words, जैसे कि necromancy is one of them. Necromancy, I don't know if you've heard of it, but it is basically black magic, or basically a communication with the dead people. Then there's negligible. नहीं, negligible अपन कर चुके हैं. Okay, then there's nettle. Nettle is basically to irritate or annoy somebody, right? Irritate. फिर मुझे याद आता है nomadic. अच्छा, नोमैडिक अपन शायद कर चुके हैं. वैंडरिंग, लिविंग अ वैंडरिंग लाइफ, दैट्स नोमैडिक. हाँ, वो अपन कर चुके हैं. देन देयर कैन बी नॉस्टैल्जिया. नॉस्टैल्जिया तो आप लोगों ने, आपको पता ही है, इट इज़ बेसिकली अ सेंटिमेंटल लॉन्गिंग फॉर द पास्ट, राइट? दैट्स नॉस्टैल्जिया. देन देयर कैन बी नोटोरियस. ये सारे वो वर्ड्स हैं जो शायद आपने सुने हो. नोटोरियस इज बेसिकली फेमस, well known but negatively, right? Notorious person is negatively famous for the bad things, for the, maybe this person deceives other people to believe something that's not true, and this person is notorious, negatively famous, right? Then there can be noble. आपको पता होगा novelty. Novelty is basically the quality of being new, original, and unusual. ठीक है, that's novelty. Then there can be nucleus. अब nucleus तो आपने सुना ही होगा, न्यूक्लियस, पावर प्लांट एंड एवरीथिंग. बट न्यूक्लियस का मतलब एक्चुअली में होता क्या है? न्यूक्लियस इज बेसिकली सेंटर और एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग. that's nucleus. Then there's nurture आपको पता होना चाहिए. Then there's normative is basically norms, rules, right? Notion आपको पता होना चाहिए. Notion is like an idea, right? जैसे हम बोलते हैं नेगेटिव नोशन है, नेगेटिव आइडिया है, इस चीज़ का एक कॉनोटेशन होता है, वो अलग है. ठीक है, तो yes, all these words, if you remember more, just let us know and share the knowledge with everybody. All the best. I'll see you in the next session, next class, and any questions, any doubts, comment down below, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.